Guys, welcome back to the channel. Now you're going to want to hear this. A Jamaican man who work at a call center in Kingston get charged in the United States for his alleged involvement in a sophisticated cybercrime scheme which result in the theft of over 900 tickets for high demand event, including concert from global artists like Taylor Swift, Adele, and Ed Sheeran. The accused, Tyrone Rose, a 20-year-old from Kingston, get arrested along with his co-accused 31-year-old Shamara Simmons, who lives in Jamaica, Queens, New York. And they're among 4 people who get charged after one big investigation from the Queens District Attorney Office. Now, the charges come from allegations say Rose and his accomplices exploit one security loophole through one offshore third-party contractor linked to StubHub, the well-known platform for buying and selling tickets for live events. Now, the details from the investigation show say the contractor connected to the call center where Rose work, but they don't release the names of the call center yet because the investigation is still going on. And you have to maintain the presumption of innocence until proven guilty. And remember, this is not Jamaica legal system that is doing the investigation and the charges. This is done in the United States, and in the United States, why they don't give the call center name is because them always want to make sure say everything is connected before they come out with all that detail. So we don't really know which call center this guy work and the connection with this call center, and if this call center is mainly for that type of business. Nobody knows yet. According to the Queens District Attorney, between June 2022 and July 2023, about 350 orders from StubHub, and it resulted in nearly 993 stolen tickets, and these get intercepted by Rose and one unidentified co-conspirator. The 2 of them managed to get unauthorized access to StubHub's computer system. In other words, them break into the system. It's like a cyber attack into the system. And they found a backdoor into a secure area in the network. And in that area, that's where they find the ticket. Where don't sell the ticket, them sell already, you know. Then what them do, assign a URL. And if you're not really familiar with computer, you won't understand what I mean by URL. But it is the name that's given to wherever they're going to take the information from. So they make up one. And what they do, they put an email in there, and it's a really technical thing, so I'm not really going to go into that. But the thing is this: them break into the computer system, and the tickets that are already sell, them try to resell it again, and people buying these tickets, and then what happened? They buy the ticket, but they're not able to go to the concert because somebody already have that ticket. And in this crafty move, Rose and his accomplice redirect that URL address, email address, and also the co-conspirator, including Simmons and there's one deceased accomplice who used to live in Queens also, but this one dead. So maybe God rest his soul, but maybe if he never dead, he would be in a hot water too. The accused individuals download the tickets from the reroute URL, that's the one where they make, and post them back on this StubHub platform and resell them for big profit. And the total profit from this illegal operation valued at about $635,000 US. So the Queen's District Attorney Office praised StubHub for their proactive role in identifying and reporting the fraudulent activities to law enforcement. Them things that them could have get away with it, but the StubHub, which is the office that sells the ticket or is supposed to sell the ticket, realized that somebody had broken in and reported the incident, and this is how these people were caught. I am telling you, they try all, you know, it is mind-boggling how they try all sort of things. What is wrong with these people in Jamaica nowadays? What is wrong with them? These guys, them face the possibility of a serious prison time ranging from 3 to 15 years if convicted of these charges. And these guys, they were arraigned last Thursday and they're set to return to court on March 7th for further proceedings. Now this situation really highlights growing complexity of cybercrime and the teamwork when needed among law enforcement and industry players to protect against fraud in this digital age. We can't do without using online, but at the same time, criminals find all sorts of ways to break into system. Imagine they can go break into. Remember, they don't work with the system, but yet still with that system, but then were able to break into them by creating emails and URLs and put the ticket back in there and sell it. Sell the ticket for profit. The ticket that is already sold. Like say for instance you sold 100 tickets and they have seats, and yet still them turn around and resell those tickets. So I don't know how they were expecting to get away with it. They're smart when it comes to computer, but they're not they're tech savvy, but they don't think. I mean, this kid is 20 years old. 20 years old kid. And if he can break into the computer that way, it can tell you that this is a smart kid. And what does he do with his life? This 35-year-old and the deceased one might, I don't know how old that one is, but he might be spending ruin him life and might be spending at least maybe 15 years in jail. By the time he come out, him 35 years old. It's just as, and can you imagine parents, maybe this kid maybe I'll go to college, you never know. Parents spend money on this kid, and this is what the kid returned to them. A life of crime, and at that age going to be spending the rest 15 years in jail. It's just disgraceful. Anyway guys, I just want to just bring this up to show, because I mean, look at this. It's like, this is not a scam. It's Jamaica. There's so much scamming going on in Jamaica. And now you tell me they are breaking into computers and trying to steal. Anyway guys, if you have watched the video this far, just kindly make sure you subscribe, you like, you share, and you hit that notification bell. And I will see you back here on my next YouTube video.